This video is going to go over the SmartTouch control for the Summit Series swim spa. Right now the control is on its main or home screen, which is made up of different icons and different information being displayed about the swim spa right now. Start in the upper left, there's some letters you'll see there. Now these letters have to deal with different features that I'll go over in the settings portion of the video in greater detail. But starting at the far left, it says L. That has to stand for your heat range, lower, high. R for either ready and rest mode. F2 is your filter cycle. Right now this is in filter cycle number 2. And O3 is indicating that the ozonator is on right now. In the center you'll find the current time, and at the far right you'll see there's an icon that you can press that will invert the display to be able to be read easier from inside the swim spa. In the center of the screen you'll see the current temperature. So right now this temperature of this water is 87 degrees. If you want to see what the set point is, you simply press that. Right now the set point is also 87 degrees. So the set point will always show up in orange. If you want to change the temperature, just either press the up or down arrow and that will change the temperature. Right now you'll see there's a thermometer down here. That thermometer is indicating that the heat is on right now. Now there's the icons that you can press. Starting here is your spotlight. The way the spotlight works on this swim spa is every time you turn the spotlight on, back off, back on, you'll get a different color or a different setting. Some of the settings will rotate from color to color automatically. Others are a solid color. Next one down is your swim menu. Your swim menu is how you use the swim jets in the swim spa. Below that is your audio system, and that menu allows you to use a Bluetooth connected device. Over here on the right are your spa functions. Alright, so this is separate than your swim pumps. So this is just going to control the spa pump that both heats and filters the swim spa, and also provides therapy to the seats in the swim spa and to the stand-ups. And then there's another key there for operating the spotlight, which works the same way as the one on the main screen. Alright, so coming back here to the main screen, the last icon here is your settings icon. This will go into all the settings that you can change and basically control how the spa functions. So coming back, I want to go next to the actual swim menu. The swim menu has 4 different icons you can choose from, 3 of which basically operate the swim jets. The 4th just gives you some basic stuff that you can change specific to this swim menu and the operation of the swim jets. First, manual workout. Manual workout has a brief delay before it starts, and you can change that, and I'll show you that later. This is just going to turn the swim system on, and then you can adjust the intensity by changing the speed over here. This will run until you either pause it or stop it, and then eventually when you exit the swim spa you will turn it off completely. But for any reason you want to pause during your swim, go ahead, press the pause button. It'll turn the pumps off and pause the current. If you're ready to rejoin, press resume, and it'll come right back on to where you left off. When you're ready to quit or stop, you just press the stop button. That's going to finish the manual workout, and then you'll press this to come back to the swim menu. Time workout works much in the same way. It allows you though to set the duration and then your starting speed. So right now this is set to run for 10 minutes at a speed of 3. If you want to change it, for instance, we want to change the minutes, you can press it, it'll turn orange, and you can use the up arrow or down arrow to change that. Same thing with the speed. When you have what you want, you hit the check, and that will lock it in and then start it. So right now this is going to run for 11 minutes on speed 4 currently. If at any time during a timed workout you want to change the speed, go ahead and do it. You can change it either up or down. This will also show you the time remaining and the elapsed time that has gone by so far. When you're ready to stop, press stop, and we come back to the swim menu. Now, workout program. The workout list, which is the first screen in the workout program, allows you to choose from either, or let me start with this, it allows you to create a workout or choose from one of the workouts that's already on the list, such as basic, long interval, short interval, so on. Creating a workout. If you want to create your own workout, you can do so. Here in the Edit Workout menu, there's a graph here. It's a visual representation of your workout, which allows you to choose and modify this chart here to choose and modify what the speed of the swim spa will be during your workout. This is gone over in more detail in the owner's manual. This will allow you to create and maintain several different user workouts in this workout list. Last icon on this screen is your workout settings. Workout settings allows you to do several different things here. Number one, ramping. Ramping is basically the delay between the pump changing speeds. So if you're at speed 6 to go to speed 5, there's a 3-second delay, and you can modify and change that some. Start delay. That's the delay at the beginning of the program from when you press start to when the pumps actually turn on, and you can modify and change that delay as well. Blinking lights. You can blink the lights during a change. So during a pre-programmed workout, such as the ones that are on the swim spa from the factory or the user created workout, when the swim spa is going to change speeds, it will blink the lights a few times just to prepare you and warn you that the speed is about to change. Coming back to the home screen, let's go to the settings area. This is how you change and set the settings to control your swim spa the way you want to control your swim spa, I'll say. So starting with heat. There's two different modes here for heat. Ready, which will heat whenever it needs to, and rest, which will heat during a filter cycle only. Temperature range. There's a high range and a low range temperature. These allow you to set two different set points. So if you want to have a set point at, say for instance, 90 degrees and a set point at 75 degrees, you can have those two set points predetermined, and then you can toggle between them by using the high and low range temperature. Time allows you to set the time of day. If you want to change the hour or the minute, you select or press what you want to change, use your up and down arrow to make the change. Once you have the time of day set, press the check mark and it'll lock it in. Reminders. Reminders are pre-programmed from the factory. The reminders are such as change your water, change your filter. You can opt out of them by pressing the reminder and it turns it to no. Lock. Lock will either let you do a settings lock or a full panel lock. To lock the spa, press the one you want to use, and then press the word lock at the top of the screen. After holding for a few seconds, it'll lock the panel. To unlock the panel, press and then press the word lock again, and after a few seconds it'll unlock the screen. Filter. Right now you'll see on this swim spa we have two different filter cycles selected. The duration of each is 12 hours, so this swim spa will filter 24 hours a day. If you want to change the parameters here, simply press the parameter you want to change and then use the up and down arrow to make a change. And lock it in by hitting the check mark. Hold. Hold will turn all spa features, or I should say all spa equipment off, mainly the pumps, off for 1 hour. To exit this, hit the back button. Cleanup. Since this swim spa is running a 24-hour filtration cycle, there will be no cleanup cycle, but if your spa is not running a full 24-hour filtration cycle, after use, the swim spa will run a cleanup cycle. Second page of the settings menu. On this screen, there's some utilities and some other things or other icons that You won't generally use very often, such as M8, which has to deal with how the spa finds the temperature of the water. Units, which allows you to change the temperature units from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and the time from 12-hour to 24-hour. Language, which allows you to choose the display language. Info, which can get back here. Info, which just basically gives you the software revision of the spa pack and the control system here. Utilities and test. Those features are more used for your technician than your everyday spa user. And that concludes our video.